Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to be making noodles but the healthy version. So I have some shrimps here and I just seasoned it with some fish seasoning. I have some cucumber here. Like I said, it's healthy noodles, so we're going to be making it as healthy as possible. So I have my cucumbers. I'm just going to be slicing them because I need them to be in little pieces. If you want, you can scoop out the seeds of the cucumbers, but I decided to keep it anyway because I wanted the fiber. I wanted it to be as healthy as possible, like I said, and as much as possible. So I kept the seeds intact. I have some carrots as well, and I'm going to be doing the same thing for the carrots. I'll be cutting my carrots like a sieve. I want to use it for fried rice, but of course this is not fried rice. We are just trying to make our noodles more healthy than it's supposed to be. So this is cup noodles, and I'm just going to add my cucumbers and my carrots. I'm going to be setting it aside because I'll be using it later on in my dish. So any other vegetable that you want, you can add. You can use bell peppers, but I'm not using bell peppers in this case. But if you want to, if you wish, you can decide to add more vegetables. Of course, I love my onions a lot. I'm going to be adding my onions to it. And then guys, I have some oil in my pan. You remember the shrimps I seasoned earlier on? It's time for me to now start cooking them. So I'm just going to stir fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Shrimps does not take long to cook at all. I'm just going to stir fry it, turn it on each side, and when I feel that it's okay, I'll be adding my carrots to it. Then I'll be stir frying the carrots as well. I'll be adding some of my onions too. I'm adding some onions. I'm adding some spring onions as well. And I'm just going to stir fry everything until when the carrots and the onions are translucent. So on one side, on another burner of my stove, I'm cooking my noodles separately. This is Chow Mein. You can use any other noodles that you like, but guys, this is the noodles I had today and that's what I wanted to use. So I'm adding the noodle spice to it. Of course, I added some garlic paste. I'm adding some more spice because I didn't really like the spice of that particular noodles, so I'm using my regular seasoning. I added some thyme and I'm just stirring all that together. Of course, I'm adding some chili, and I felt it was not enough because that was 4 or 5 packs of noodles. So I just added more seasoning. Trust me, it was not as seasoned as what you guys think. It was just perfect. So when the noodles was cooked al dente, I decided to add it to my already made spice, and I'm adding some sweet corn because like I said, I want to make it as healthy as possible. I added more spring onions to tie everything together. What's this dish without spring onions? And I'm just going to be using my tongs to gently toss it back and forth until when I'm able to mix all the vegetables with my noodles, and it is ready at this point, guys. And noodles are healthy. Noodles is ready. So on a normal day, if I was to eat 3 packs, this I ate only 1.5 packs because I wanted it as healthy as possible. I added my cucumbers. I didn't cook my cucumbers because it would have been too soggy and it won't serve the purpose for which I wanted it, but it was perfect this way. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, kindly thumbs up, and don't forget, kindly subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.